I will introduce you to NC Simul in 3 minutes. NC Simul is a software that helps manufacturers who are not satisfied with the overall equipment effectiveness of their machines in order to improve their usage rate. As you know, using the real machine for proving out programs is a waste of time and can generate machine crashes that represent between $20,000 and $50,000 in repairs, not to mention the time spent to rebuild the machine. NC Simul validates the final code, also known as G-code, and replaces the final test that's usually done on the real machine before production. NC Simul complements CAM systems, connecting to more than 15 of them on the market, and will simulate any type of CNC machine. Proving out programs on the real machine represents a high cost for the shop floor. For example, if you do a simple calculation of return on investment, for 10 machines with 8% of their time devoted to proving out programs and 2 8-hour shifts a day over the course of a year, it equates to a cost of $250,000. Therefore, proving out programs offline with NC Simul can facilitate an impactful annual cost reduction. Here are 6 reasons why NC Simul is better than the competition. First, NC Simul is easy to use. It is built with the familiar tabs and icons setup that you'll find in Microsoft Office solutions. Each icon has a use and each function has an icon. Secondly, NC Simul is founded on a 3-step process. Step 1, G-code decoding. It can detect syntax errors, programs inconsistencies, such as cuspidal point errors on cutter-compensated toolpaths. Step 2 is the simulation, which can detect anything causing a collision or contacting the non-cutting portion of the tool. It is exactly what you do on the real machine when you single block your G-code program. This replaces having to use the machine to test for collisions. And step 3 is called dimensional analysis. It's exactly what you do on the shop floor when you measure the part after the first piece is made. You check to see whether you've forgotten tool offsets or if features of the part are out of tolerance. And those are the 3 steps that drive the G-code validation for programmers. NC Simul's third advantage is being able to validate machine macros in their entirety. Unlike the competition, NC Simul will read the macros that are in the memory of the real machine and use those macros during validation. The fourth advantage is that NC Simul is fast. Using the latest OpenGL technology developed in the 2000s, NC Simul can process more data more quickly than the competition. The fifth edge NC Simul possesses is the clarity of view from start to finish. When you move the part on the screen, there isn't a visible refreshment time. Whether you are in machine or part view, there isn't any pixel refining in the way that you may observe with the competition. And lastly, you can be easily trained on the user-friendly interface of NC Simul in just 2 days. You will be able to simulate all of the machines in your workshop in less time than it often takes to validate a single part.